This video will show you how to use the dial controls on your Smeg oven for models purchased between 2014 and 2021. Firstly, begin by turning on the oven. To do this, press the right control dial. This will wake up the LCD screen. Next, select the function. Use the right control dial to toggle through the function selections. You can learn about the different functions available in the videos linked in the description. Once you find the function you're looking for, select the temperature. To do this, press on the left control dial. The C will flash to indicate the temperature can be changed. Toggle left or right to select a higher or lower temperature. Once you've landed on the correct temperature, leave the screen to go idle. The C will stop flashing. Finally, a start symbol will appear on the top right-hand corner. Press the right control dial to begin heating up. Once the oven has reached temperature, the oven will proceed to make an audible alert to indicate food can now be placed inside the oven. To turn off the oven or cancel the selected program, press and hold the right control dial for 4 seconds. The screen will now return back to standby. It's possible to switch on the oven light to check the progress of the food whilst cooking. Without pressing, simply flick the left dial clockwise. Repeat this process to turn the light off. To set a minute minder, press the left control dial twice. The first press will show the flashing C for altering temperature. The second press will show flashing digits and a bell will appear on the display. Whilst the digits flash, toggle the dial to set the timer. At the end of the timer, the oven will make a loud, audible alert. It's also possible to set an end of cooking timer. This will switch the oven off after a selected length of time. To do this, select the function and temperature as before. Next, press the left control dial 3 times. A cook pot will show at the top of the screen. Use the dial to select the duration of cooking. With the oven on, the timer will start counting down immediately. Once the allocated time has been reached, the oven will sound an audible alert and switch off. A delay start timer is available on Smeg ovens. This allows the oven to automatically switch on and off at a set time for a set duration. To do this, set the oven up for use by selecting a function and temperature. Then press the left control dial 3 times. Set the length of cooking time required. Press the left dial again. A cook pot with a cross will appear. Finally, set the time at which you require the oven to switch off. Press in to confirm the selected timings. The oven will remain off until it's ready to heat. To cancel this program, again press and hold the right control dial for 4 seconds to return to standby. For more information on the Smeg ovens, click the link in the description or visit the Smeg UK website.